Alright, I'm going to go over the featured slider. So by default, when you set up your home page, you'll get this white box that's appearing and no slides. But don't worry, it's super easy to set up. So basically, each slide is one portfolio post. So the first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and create a slide. So I'm going to go to portfolio. I'm going to add new, and let's call this one slide 1. And then from there, we'll excuse me, we'll add some media. And I'm going to go and just upload this image that I have. Once your image has been uploaded, you want to set it as a featured image. And that's by clicking this text link right here on the left. And then you'll select your image. And then once you've clicked this text link and it's selected, this button will change to set featured image. So then we'll set this featured image and it'll be down here. And so this image will be your first slide. So the next couple steps are to add a category. So we'll add a category, and let's call this category slider. And we'll reference this category later. But basically what it's saying is we just created a slide with a featured image and we posted it to the slider type. So if we go to our home page, it's not going to show up yet because we haven't told our home page to pull in slider types. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go under pages and we'll find our home page. We'll edit it. And once you've gone on your home page, you'll scroll down and under page options, there'll be portfolio category. And you'll just select one. So we have a test one and slider. And so we'll select slider since that's the category we want to pull in. And basically what this is saying is your home page wants to pull in the slider portfolio category. So when we refresh, it'll pull in that slide. Very easy. So the only trick really is you'll want to create your home page and select the category that you want to pull in, which is a portfolio category. And then make sure your portfolio items are posted into that type. So let's go ahead and create a second slide. We'll call this one slide 2. And then we'll add our featured image again. And then we click this text to set featured image. Select our image. And then click set featured image. And then it will display right down there. And then we'll want to post it in the slider type since that's the one that we created. And then we will refresh our page and now we have 2 slides set up. And then you obviously have a couple other options to do. You can add a caption if you want. And that caption will just display real easy down here. Then you can also display change the link. So if you want to link to another page on your site, you can do that there under external link. So now when I click on it, it goes to another page. And then you have a couple other options as well. You can do a video embed code, which is covered in the video portfolio sites, or you can link to a lightbox pop-up if you wanted to as well. So it's all very easy to set up your featured slider. You just create a type and then you associate that type with your home page that you've created. So